Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2018 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive, stock number X671XX. Only 5,000 miles on this Equinox. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, summit white in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Equinox seats 5, cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Equinox is a very safe vehicle with blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, along with backup camera and rear parking sensors, all helping to give it a 5-star front and side government crash rating. Power liftgate for convenience, lots of cargo space in the rear. You can also fold the rear seats from the rear. Simple pull of the handle, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjustable power liftgate control, power driver seat along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual-zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those media devices. All-wheel drive lock, giving you the greatest capability in inclement weather. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 170 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 24 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway. And again, only 5,000 miles on those tires. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.